Welcome to AI Convo Cast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in. Today, we will be covering Meta's acquisition of AI agent startup Manus, Nvidia's potential deal to acquire AI21 Labs, and the Texas AI Governance Act taking effect as one of the strongest state-level AI oversight frameworks in the country. Let's start with some big news out of Meta. The company has confirmed its acquisition of Manus, a Singapore-based startup that specializes in general-purpose AI agents. This deal is valued at around $2 billion and represents a significant move for Meta into the world of task-oriented AI systems that can actually do things autonomously rather than just chat with you. Manus has built a platform where AI agents can handle complex multi-step tasks on their own. We're talking about things like conducting research, writing and running code, and managing files across different systems. The startup has been growing quickly with over $100 million in annual recurring revenue and millions of users already on the platform. Here's how the deal is structured. Manus will keep its existing product and subscription business running while the talent integrates with Meta AI. Meta has also made clear that all Chinese ownership has been removed from Manus and that China operations will be shutting down entirely. Xiao Hong, the CEO of Manus, commented on the acquisition saying, quote, "Joining Meta strengthens our mission without changing what makes Manus useful," end quote. The plan is to bring these agentic workflows across Meta's ecosystem, including WhatsApp, Facebook, and the Meta AI Assistant. This gives Meta a real pathway to move beyond conversational AI into systems that can actually complete tasks for users end to end. Now on to another major potential acquisition that's been making headlines. Reports indicate that Nvidia is in advanced talks to acquire AI21 Labs, an Israeli company that builds large language models and enterprise AI tools. The deal is reportedly being discussed in the range of $2 to $3 billion. AI21 Labs was founded by Amnon Shashua, who you might know as the founder of Mobileye, the autonomous driving technology company. The startup has around 200 researchers and has carved out a strong position in the enterprise language model space. They've focused heavily on building practical AI tools for businesses rather than just chasing benchmark performance. If this deal goes through, it would mark a significant expansion for Nvidia beyond its hardware dominance into owning actual model intellectual property. Nvidia has obviously been the company powering the entire AI boom through its chips, but this would give them direct ownership of frontier language model technology and the research talent behind it. Nvidia has declined to comment on the negotiations, but Reuters noted that, quote, "Nvidia sees Israel as its second home for AI research and development," end quote. That speaks to the broader strategy here of tapping into Israel's deep pool of AI and machine learning expertise. Shifting gears to the regulatory side of things, the Texas AI Governance Act officially took effect at 1 minute past midnight on December 31st. This is now one of the most comprehensive state-level AI oversight frameworks in the United States. The law creates a 10-member council that will oversee how AI is used within Texas state agencies. It specifically targets AI systems that could cause discrimination, encourage self-harm, or generate violent or deceptive content. The enforcement mechanism includes civil penalties of up to $100,000 for violations. One of the more interesting aspects of this legislation is the inclusion of a regulatory sandbox for businesses. Companies can apply to test innovative AI applications for up to 36 months under a more flexible compliance framework. The idea is to let innovation happen while still having guardrails in place. There's also a public reporting portal that will be managed by the Texas Attorney General's office where incidents and concerns can be flagged. While the law applies mainly to government agencies, the indirect impact on enterprises doing business with the state could be substantial. Texas lawmakers describe the goal of the legislation as aiming to, quote, "encourage innovation while preventing harmful AI uses," end quote. It strikes a balance between enabling the development of new AI applications and ensuring there are mechanisms to address potential harms before they become widespread problems. The regulatory sandbox component is worth paying attention to because it provides a model for how states might approach AI governance going forward. Rather than simply restricting what companies can do, it creates a structured environment for experimentation with appropriate oversight. Companies operating in Texas or working with Texas state agencies will now need to factor these requirements into their AI deployment strategies. Thank you for listening to AI Convo Cast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks and hope to see you again next time.